Which of the following is considered harmful to a newborn baby in the immediate postnatal period? Was this question there? So harmful for a baby in the immediate postnatal period. Similar question नीट पीजी में अभी अभी very recently आया है, एफएमजी में भी ऐसे टाइप का क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है. So it is almost a direct repeat. So we know कि cleaning the eye with a wet sterile swab is okay. Giving a bath immediately after birth is not recommended at all. Initiating breastfeeding 1 hour is correct. Within 1 hour, placing the baby on mother's chest is also correct. So हमारा यहाँ पे what is the best answer? So our answer is B. Okay, so again a lollipop question or a cake question. Yes. So giving a bath immediately after birth should not be done. Okay, we wait till the umbilical cord stump falls off. Till then you can do sponging and all. Okay. So okay. So what else? Any other question? A 4-month-old infant is brought to the emergency department with a respiratory rate of 66 per minute. So this again, so important topic we've discussed in LRR also. The IMNCI classification of pneumonia, so many times we've discussed. So 4-month baby के लिए the respiratory rate of 66 beats per minute along with chest indrawing. So is it fast breathing or not? So 4 months respiratory rate हमें पता है कि more than 50 per minute is fast breathing, right? Okay. So 66 per minute है तो fast breathing भी है, chest indrawing भी है, nasal flare भी है, but there are no other significant findings. No other significant findings meaning no danger signs, right? So मतलब कि danger signs में क्या क्या होता है हमें पता है, convulsions, lethargy, inability to breastfeed, unconsciousness, persistent vomiting. तो ये सारा कुछ stridor, nothing else is mentioned. So our diagnosis here becomes yes. What have you answered? बताओ. Diagnosis here with this given case scenario which we've got by recall is pneumonia. अगर if any of the danger signs would have been mentioned, then it would become severe pneumonia or very severe disease. Okay. So आपका concept अगर clear है, whatever the words of the question were, I'm sure you've been able to answer it correctly. अगर danger signs नहीं है and fast breathing, chest indrawing है, the diagnosis becomes pneumonia. If any of the danger signs are there, then it becomes severe pneumonia or very severe disease. अगर not taking feeds लिखा है, if you know the question also mentioned that it is not taking feeds, the baby is not taking feeds, then your answer would become severe pneumonia. Okay, then your answer would become severe pneumonia, as simple as that. Okay.